Here is the value of the trigonometric ratio 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, 180 degree and 270 degree, 360 degree. Here is the table. We must remember sine is at 0 degree 0, 30 degree 1 by 2, 45 degree 1 by root 2, 60 degree 3 by 2, 90 degrees 1, 180 degree 0. And how these values are calculated are now we will see here. Now we will see in the unit circle. The coordinates are 1, 0. This point is 0, 1. This point is minus 1, 0, and this point is 0, minus 1. So this point is A, B, C, and D. Then this is at O. Let this point A reaches at point P on the circle and join this. Suppose this angle is of 30 degree and drop a perpendicular and extend this up to Q. Join this with the O. So by symmetry, this angle will also be 30 degree. This angle is 90 degree. If this is 90 degree, total sum is 180 degree. Therefore, this angle is of 60 degree. If we take this angle, this will be the perpendicular. Suppose this is PM and OP is equal to the radius. OQ is also equal to radius. Now if we by symmetry see, this angle will also be, this is also 90 degrees, so this is also 60 degrees. If we see this OPQ triangle is equilateral triangle. Therefore OP is equal to OQ is equal to PQ. And geometrically, OM is half of PQ. Therefore, this value is PM is equal to 1 by 2. If we apply the Pythagoras theorem in the right angle triangle OPM, this OPM, OP square is equal to OM square plus PM square. Therefore, this is 1 by 2. OP is 1, OM is to be calculated plus 1 upon 2, whole square is 1 upon 4. Therefore, OM square is 1 minus 1 upon 4 means 3 upon 4. OM is root 3 upon 2. So this value is root 3 upon 2. Now if we select this angle 30 degree, then sine 30 degree will be PM upon OP. Now first of all we will see 0 degree in the unit circle. The coordinate of these are cos PM upon OP. This is OM. OM is equal to OM upon OP is OM upon OP is cos 30 degree. PM upon OP is sin 30 degree. Therefore, this is 1, this is 1. Therefore, OM is cos 30 degree and PM is sin 30 degree in the unit circle. Now if this P point is here A, the angle will become 0 and cos 0 degree is 1. See here, cos 0 degree is 1. And when this P here, sin 0 degree is 0. Sin 0 degree is 0. Now see, sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is PM upon OP. So PM is 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 upon 1 is sin 30 degree. Means sin 30 degree is 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. Here see sine 30 degrees 1 upon 2 and cos 30. If cos 30 degree OM upon OP. OM is root 3 by 2. Therefore, cos 30 degree is OM is root 3 by 2 over 1 means root 3 by 2. Therefore, cos 30 degree, see here cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 means OM upon OP is 30 degree. OM upon, see here cos 30 degree is OM upon OP. OP is 1, OM is root 3 by 2, so root 3 by 2 and cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 and 1 by sine 30 degree is 1 by 2 here. Now see in the same right angle triangle this, if we take 60 degree, so opposite to this, if we write sine 60 degree here in the same triangle, in opposite to angle this, if we take this angle, so this will be the perpendicular. Now perpendicular will change, this will change. If we take this angle, the perpendicular this. If we take this 60 degree, the perpendicular will be this. So 60 degree OM upon OP and OM is root 3 by 2 divided 1. So sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. This root 3 by 2. And cos 60 degree. If we take cos 60 degree here, cos 60 degree, this will be the base. So PM upon OP will be 1 by 2 divided 1 means 1 upon 2. Therefore cos 60 degree is 1 upon 2. And now see, if P reaches here, so angle will become 90 degree, and cos 90 degree will be 0. So cos 90 degree will be 0, sine 90 degree here will be 1 here, and this point reaches here, so this is 180 degree, cos 180 degree is -1 and sine 180 degree is 0. At 270 degree or 3 pi by 2, cos 3 pi by 2 is 0 and sine is sine 3 pi by 2 is -1. Then complete revolution here, 360 degree, cos 360 degree is 1 and sine is 0 in the unit circle. Now we will see how to find the value or at 45 degree. We will again construct a unit circle. Now again construct a unit circle. Now let this angle be of 45 degree. Or opposite to 45 degree, this PM is perpendicular, OM is base. And this is a unit circle, so the radius of this is 1. So OP is also 1. Now see, this is 90 degree, PM is perpendicular on x-axis and this is 45. Sum of the three angles of a triangle are 180 degree. So 90 degree, 45 degree, this is also 45 degree. Since these two angles are equal, therefore OM will be equal to PM. This triangle is a isosceles triangle, and this is also a right angle triangle. Therefore OP square is OM square plus PM square. Since OM is equal to PM, due to the triangle being a isosceles triangle, therefore OP square is equal to twice of OM square, because OM is equal to PM. Now OM square upon OP square. If we can write this 1 upon 2 implies OM upon, we take the square root, OM upon OP is 1 upon root 2. And OM upon OP will be cos 45 degrees. OM, base upon hypotenuse. So this is equal to 1 upon 2. So cos 45 is 1 upon 2 and sine 45 degree is PM upon OP. This is root 2, 1 upon root 2. This is also 1 upon root 2. Therefore, the value is 1 upon root 2 at 45 degrees. And now we have calculated the values of sine and cos. Now see, tan angle is sine upon cos. So 0 upon 1 is 0. 1 upon 2 upon root 3 by 2 is 1 upon root 3, means tan 30 degrees 1 upon root 3. Tan 45 degrees sine upon cos. So 1 upon root 2 upon 1 is 1. Tan 60 degrees, this will be root 3. 1 upon 0 is undefined. 0 upon minus 1 is 0. Minus 1 upon 0 not defined. 0 upon 1 is again 0. Now see the cot. Cot is cos upon sine. This function is trigonometric function cot can be expressed as cos x upon sine x. Therefore 1 upon 0 is undefined. Root 3 upon 2 upon 1 upon 2 is root 3. This is cos upon this is 1, and we can write this reciprocal this 0 and so on. Secant is reciprocal of the cos, so 1, 2 upon root 3, root 2, 2 upon 1 is 2 upon 1, 1 upon 2, reciprocal 1 upon 2 is 2. Reciprocal 0 is not defined, minus 1 upon minus 1 again, this is not defined, and similarly the cosecant value at 0 degree is not defined, 30 degree 2, 45 degree root 2, 60 degree 2 upon root 3, 90 degrees 1, 180 degree not defined, 270 degrees minus 1, and at 360 degree is not defined. So these are the values of trigonometric ratios at 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree.